Can RC Cars pull this real car? Let's start with a $30 RC car. $100 RC car. How about $600? How about $1,000? It worked.